If you're using Odoo Field Service and your tasks are not invoicing correctly, or you keep seeing errors like sales order must contain at least one service product, this video is for you. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how field service tasks, service products, timesheets, and invoices connect inside Odoo, using a real example step by step. No theory, just how Odoo actually works. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete Odoo Field Service flow, from creating a task to generating a sales order, sending it to the customer for signature, logging time, and finally invoicing based on timesheets. I'll start by creating a new field service task and assigning it to a customer and project. At this point, the task is only operational. Nothing is billable yet, and there is no revenue impact. This is important to understand because field service tasks do not generate invoices on their own. Next, I create a sales order directly from the field service task. This step is critical. Odoo requires at least one service product on the sales order, otherwise it will block the process. If you try to confirm a sales order without a service product, you'll see an error stating that the sales order must contain at least one service product. This is Odoo enforcing correct service accounting. I now add the service products to the sales order. In this example, I'm using a fixed service product for the software and a second service product billed by the hour. The hourly service product is configured with an invoicing policy set to based on timesheets, which tells Odoo to invoice only the actual time worked. Once the products are added, I confirm the sales order. At this stage, the sales order is formally linked to the field service task. You can see the sales order reference directly on the task, and this link is what allows time entries to become billable. Before starting work, I send the sales order to the customer for review and signature. This ensures pricing approval before any time is logged. The customer can view and sign the order digitally, keeping the process clean and auditable. Now I begin the actual field work. From the field service task, I start the timer and log time as the work is performed. Each time entry is recorded on the task and automatically linked back to the service product on the sales order. There is no manual matching required. When the work is complete, I stop the timer and review the timesheet entries. You can see the exact number of hours recorded, which will be used for billing. Next, I create the invoice from the sales order. Odoo automatically pulls the fixed service line and the exact number of hours logged on the timesheets. The invoice quantities are calculated automatically, based on real work performed, not estimates. This is the full Odoo Field Service lifecycle: task creation, sales order generation, customer approval, time tracking, and accurate invoicing. When configured correctly, Odoo ensures that every hour worked is properly tracked, approved, and billed without manual intervention. If you want this exact setup in your Odoo, including the correct service products, timesheet invoicing policy, customer signature flow, and invoice automation, go to www.katielinks.com. I have step-by-step training and templates you can copy into your own database. And if you want us to implement it for you, you can book a call directly from the site. Again, that's www.katielinks.com. Grab the field service billing setup and stop losing billable hours.